This brand is from Carrier and is made in Mexico. The brand is only available through authorized dealers in the USA, and the units only use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil. They are basic builder grade units, and their guarantee, especially on the compressor, is not as good as some of the other brands, as it does not have a unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor failure. The PA5S models are basic single-stage units with a 16.5 SEER efficiency, which is better than many brands in the category, but they do not have a compressor sound isolation blanket, and so they are rather loud while in operation. The PA710 units are premium units with a 2-stage compressor, but they only have a 17 SEER efficiency and, with a sound rating that is close to that of a washing machine, they are pretty loud during operation. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.